In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Evernote to Google Drive in the easiest way possible, using your desktop app and a simple upload process. This is a great method if you want to back up your notes, organize them in Drive, or move important notebooks into a cloud storage system you already use every day. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the Evernote desktop app on your Windows or Mac computer. This method works best from the desktop version because it gives you the export options you need. Once Evernote is open, look at the left sidebar and choose either Notebooks if you want to export an entire notebook, or click All Notes if you want to select individual notes. Take a moment here to decide exactly what you want to move, because choosing the right notes now will save you time later. After you've selected your notes or notebook, right-click on the selection and look for the Export option. Click Export to open the export settings. This is the key step that lets you create a file version of your Evernote content that you can later upload to Google Drive. When the export window appears, choose HTML as the file format. HTML is a useful option because it helps preserve the structure of your notes and makes attachments easier to access without needing special software. Next, you'll usually see some additional options for what information to include in the export. Depending on your needs, you may be able to keep tags, dates, authors, and other note details. If you want your backup to be as complete as possible, include the attributes that matter most to you. Once everything looks correct, click Export. Then choose a folder on your computer where you want to save the exported Evernote files. I recommend making a dedicated folder so everything stays organized when you upload it to Drive. Now that your notes have been exported, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, log in with the Google account where you want to store your Evernote files. Once you're inside Google Drive, look for the New button in the top left corner. Click it, and from the menu, choose Folder Upload if you exported an entire folder from Evernote. This is the best option because it keeps the exported files together and preserves your organization. If you only exported individual files, you can upload those as well, but Folder Upload is usually the cleanest way to transfer everything at once. After selecting Folder Upload, locate the Evernote export folder on your computer and click Upload. Google Drive will start importing the folder and all of its contents. Depending on how many notes and attachments you have, this may take a little time, so let the process finish completely. Once the upload is done, open the folder in Google Drive and check that your notes, images, and attached files have all been transferred properly. It's always a good idea to spot check a few files to make sure everything looks the way you expect. If you're moving a large notebook library, you may want to repeat the export and upload process for other folders until your entire Evernote collection is safely stored in Google Drive. And that's it. You've now exported Evernote to Google Drive using a simple desktop export and folder upload method. This is one of the easiest ways to create a cloud backup and keep your notes accessible from anywhere. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech videos, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.